Okay, hello world. I haven't been making these videos in a while because I don't know. I mean, I am the sort of person who really likes to think before I say anything. Um, and I guess that's what I've been doing is just thinking a real lot and not about the past, not about the immediate, as in the present, but I'm still thinking about the future and how we are going to get there because really that is what it's all about, we and our future, collective future. um, you can argue this way or that way, left or right, black or white, um, foreign and domestic, red state, blue state, capitalist versus communist, whatever you want to call it. Look, we need to start making more sense. And that's really all it comes down to. If we don't do moving forward what works for all of us, then it's going to fail for all of us. It's not going to work for any of us. It's going to work for none. And that is the reality that we live in, that neither side of any argument or um, debate or discussion or fight is willing to accept, in my observation. Now, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe there are people out there who are understanding of that fact. But what I see still is people polarizing, dividing, not willing to come together and have a discussion, a conversation. People just trying to assert their viewpoint and enforce that on any side of any argument. Um, People, this is, can you not see a recipe for complete and total failure? Does anybody know how to listen anymore? Open your damn ears, people, and start listening. This is serious, okay? Have a conversation. Listen to each other. You're not going to get anything done effectively by shouting people down, by condensing everything into 30-second sound bites and being completely glib about everything. The truth is that nothing works. Nothing that we've ever done works. Okay? This is the point. We're living in an age where it should be obvious to anybody with a reasonable level of intelligence that everything that human beings have ever done in history is complete and total failure. These are very, very important times that we all need to wake up to the significance of, because if we don't start actually having a conversation and start listening to each other, there is no future. None for the people who aren't willing to do that. I can guarantee you that. It's just come to such a point in human history that if we can't sit down and have a conversation, where's it going to end up? And, you know, America, you should be embarrassed, frankly, because, we're supposed to be taking the lead in showing the world that we have a country of very different kinds of people who can sit down and have a conversation with each other and respect each other and listen to each other and not be dogmatic about everything, every little thing, or anything for that matter. We are supposed to be the architects of the future. Why are we not doing this? Why is there no leadership in showing the rest of the world how this can work? There isn't any. Not on either side of the political establishment. Stop now. Grow up and stop being stupid little children, throwing a tantrum and trying to assert your way over everybody else. It doesn't work like that. That's not reality. Compromise. Compromise has been part of American history since the very beginning. That's why we still have a country after 200 and something years, when every other country has torn itself to pieces. We're still here. Why? Compromise. Stop with the name calling. Stop with the generalizations. Tone down the rhetoric and get serious. Have an actual, serious, real conversation. I swear to you, it's all over for everybody. If you people in Washington are that stupid that you can't see this, get the hell out of Washington. Retire. Quit right now. All of you. Go home. Because you're better off doing nothing than doing what you're doing right now and what you've all been doing. This is grossly irresponsible, stupid, and dangerous. I don't have anything else to say to you people, honestly. Right now, I'm embarrassed to be an American, frankly. And I never thought I would say that, but you're all embarrassing. The entire federal government, both parties, and their supporters. Complete and utter embarrassment. I thought we were supposed to be making America great, not making America fail, and not making the rest of the world hate us even more. Presently, we are a laughingstock. Thank Thanks a lot.